Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an NZXT Kraken. First, let's prepare for installation. Before you begin, gather all the necessary tools like a screwdriver and the Kraken's components. It's crucial to ensure your PC case has enough space for the radiator and its fans. Typically, a 240mm or 280mm radiator requires specific mounting points. Once confirmed, mount the radiator and fans securely to an available fan mount in your case, often at the top or front. Next, we'll install the pump. Begin by selecting the correct mounting bracket that matches your CPU socket, whether it's an Intel or AMD platform. If your Kraken does not have pre-applied thermal paste, apply a small, pea-sized amount to the center of your CPU. Carefully place the pump block onto the CPU, aligning the standoffs, and then secure it with the thumb screws, ensuring even pressure for optimal contact. Now, let's handle the cabling. Connect the pump's 3-pin cable to the CPU FAN header on your motherboard. This is vital for pump operation. Next, plug the USB 2.0 cable from the pump into an available USB 2.0 header on your motherboard. Finally, connect the fan cables. You can either plug them into the Kraken's integrated fan controller or directly into available fan headers on your motherboard for power and control. For the final steps, we'll focus on software and testing. Download and install the NZXT CAM software from their official website. This application allows you to monitor temperatures, adjust fan curves, and customize the RGB lighting effects of your Kraken. After installing CAM and configuring your preferences, perform a test boot of your system. Verify that the pump is running, fans are spinning, and there are no leaks, ensuring everything functions perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.